Hey guys, thanks for checking our channel today. Today we're going to take a look at the Cobblestone Village subdivision. This is brand new. It's being built by DR Horton. We're going to take a quick walk through the Charleston floor plan. It's pretty awesome. It's an open floor plan on the bottom. All of your bedrooms are upstairs, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, around 2,000 square feet, give or take. And if you have any questions about this property, just throw it in the comments or reach out to us directly. Again, I'm Jason with the Husted team, and don't forget to click like, hit subscribe. That way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video, different walkthrough, new floor plans. Come on in, check it out. Shell Pointe at Cobblestone Village is a single-family home community conveniently situated by assigned schools, shopping locations, local parks, and Highway 26. Take a short drive to major employers like Boeing, Mercedes, Benz, and more in the area, as well as popular destinations throughout Charleston. One- and two-story home designs are available within Shell Pointe at Cobblestone Village. Attractive floor plan layouts including spacious kitchens, loft spaces, and large primary bedroom retreats are what make these homes unique. Each floor plan includes attractive features such as stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and DR Horton's America's Smart Home Technology. Discover Shell Pointe at Cobblestone Village and explore all this favorable location has to offer. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out our channel today. If you have any questions about the Charleston floor plan, just let us know, give us a call. Or if you'd like something about it, put it in the comments. We love that. And the next phase 2 and 3 are coming out in this neighborhood. So if you need more information about different floor plans, get a hold of us. We're here to help you. Have a good one. Thanks again.